talk to you a little bit, give you an example of the new feature we released, which is a huge opportunity for licensed ethical adoption professionals across this country. It's called the Safety Center. So this is our centralized database. It is only accessible by licensed adoption professionals, and it's meant to help identify and track individuals or people that are either confirmed or suspected of some deceitful intentions, whether or not that's a mom and you're wondering, is she working with other agencies or families? You can list her here, and obviously you can just list whatever identifiable information you want, not all of her identifiable information. And or if you think somebody is a scam, you can list that information here and provide information that you have, like an email address that's being used, the last 4 digits of a phone number, and any identifiable information. So this is how it works. So to start a thread, you just click Start Thread, and you could add a title and a description. In the description, you want to put any of that identifiable information that you want. But this is what a post looks like. So Kenna in Texas or Louisiana, she's bounced back and forth between the 2 states. She's supposedly due in late August. We removed her at Pear Tree because she flagged a number of our markers. There's markers that we have called the safe connection filters. That's things like we track IP address. If she says she is in California when she creates her account, but her IP address is in Georgia, that flags a marker and we investigate. If she is cutting and pasting the same message, exact same information to multiple families, that's a marker. It flags a marker and we investigate. And then also just the content of her first messages. Jail, birth father, twins, anything that's pretty extreme, that's pretty normal for scam behavior, we track that, and that's a marker. But this is meant for you too. So any of these black icon circles, those are moms that we have banned on Pear Tree. But you can post whatever you want as well. And the system is very powerful. So you can post this. Anybody that is looking at this can use this icon on any of the posts to email the person that posted it directly. You can also add comments. So say you had talked to her too. It was the same email address, this FlexiX at Hotmail, but when you talked to her, name was Denise. You could post that and that would just add to it. And then people could start reaching out to you to contact you. So this is meant to be a central repository of all this information. A couple more things I want to show. This search bar is one of the most powerful search bars that exists in this database. So let's say you just had an email address like FlexiX at Hotmail. It would automatically bring this woman up because this is in the description. Let's say you just had the last 4 digits of a phone number, 3737. Oh, Ann M in Missouri. So last 4 of a phone were 3737. So this is a very powerful tool that you can use to check to see if a mom is working with other agencies and or families and or post if you have confirmed as a scam. Only available to licensed ethical adoption professionals, and one of those things where Pear Tree is dying to serve as the connective tissue amongst all of the licensed professionals that are doing this good work. So please use this. In order to use it, all you have to do is create a listing on Pear Tree. You'll be approved, and once you're approved, you'll have access to this. Reach out with any questions, Erin at peartreefamily.com.